Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing physics, okay? And we are going to start from the beginning of physics. And that's why I titled this class Introduction to Physics. If today is your first time coming across, or if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to like our videos, share and subscribe, okay? And also tell us what you feel about our video in the comment section. Let's begin with the definition for physics. Definition of physics. What is physics? What is physics? Now let's go. Physics is a branch of pure science that deals with the study of matter in relation to energy and time. Yes, a branch of pure science, a branch of pure science is a branch of pure science that deals with the study of matter. Yes, study of matter in relation to energy and time. So, please take note of these three aspects of physics. Physics is the study of matter. Then it relates it with energy and with what? With time. Yes. What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass or anything that has density and can occupy space. Yes, that's the meaning of matter. Do you understand? So, physics is a branch of pure science that deals with the study of matter in relation to what? Energy and time. Don't forget that time is the measure of the duration, is the measure of the duration of an event. It is the measure of the duration of an event. Of an event. Yes. While your energy is the what? Ability or capacity to do work. Don't forget all of this. So, physics is a branch of pure science that deals with the study of matter in relation to energy and time. So, it studies matter and relates it to energy and time. What are the branches in physics? What are the branches in physics? There are several branches in physics, of which we'll just consider a few. But as time goes on in this channel, we'll be looking at each branches one after the other. Now, one of the branches of physics is what we call mechanics. Yeah. Mechanics can be referred to as two aspects. We have what we call kinematics, and we have what we call dynamics. Yes, so when we talk about mechanics, we could be referring to kinematics or could be referring to what? Dynamics. What is kinematics? Kinematics actually deals with the study of motion in the absence of the force that caused the motion. Don't forget that in physics, motion is caused by an unbalanced force. For instance, if I have an object on the floor, an object that is on the floor, and then if no force acts on this object, what will happen to this object? This object will simply remain in the state of what? In the state of rest. Yes. Or we'll simply say that the object will be what? Stationary. It should be noted that if no force acts on a system or an object, the object remains at rest. That is Newton's law of what? Motion. That's the law of inertia, Newton's first law. But when a force is acted upon this object, a force of 10 Newton, what do you think will happen to this object? The object will move from its position to another position. Why? Because of the application of a force. Do you understand? Yes. So when we say kinematics, it has to do with the study of motion in the absence of this force. Take note of that. The study of motion, in the absence of force. of the force. So if you compare with dynamics, you discover that dynamics is the study of motion in relation to the force. Please take note of this. So one of the branches of what? Physics is your word, mechanics. We have what we call heat and heat, yes, or we call it heat energy. Heat energy is studied under thermal physics. Yes. The branch of physics that has to do with heat energy is called thermal physics. Do you understand? We have another branch called wave. We have another one called optics. We have one called physics. We have one called magnetism. We have what we call electromagnetism. Electromagnetism, etc. So these are the several branches of physics. We have electrolysis. We have electrolysis. We have electricity. We have energy quantization, or we call it modern physics. Modern physics. Modern physics encompasses energy quantization. Energy quantization. It encompasses atomic structure. It encompasses radioactivity. It encompasses wave particle paradox. So take note of that. These are the various branches of physics. Okay? So if you are new to this channel, I'm going to be treating them one after the other in this YouTube channel. So if you are a student and you are preparing for JAMB exam, or probably you are preparing for SSC exam. SSC exam refers to Senior Secondary School Certificate Examination, which encompasses WAEC and your what? Your NECO exam, or you are preparing for GC exam, or probably you are done with all of these exams and you are preparing for post-UTME exam. Please don't forget to like this video and share. On your notification bell by the time you are done subscribing, so that we will come with these videos, we will come with the video lessons of this topic, you will be notified. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video.